Hey guys, today we got a 2019 Honda HRV. You can see right here. And we're gonna replace the rear wiper blade. Now this one is damaged. You can see it's already fallen down. Super simple, okay? We do have our replacement one, which is this one here. Got this off of Amazon. I replaced this before. Lasted about, I don't know, maybe a year or so. So I'm gonna show you, it's real simple. So what you wanna do is you wanna make sure to lift it up, open it up like that, okay? And then you're just gonna keep turning it. Keep turning it, keep turning it, keep turning it, and it comes right out. This little spot right here is a spot that comes out of there. There's a little hole there. So then just set that down. And then see how it has a little spot right here where it looks like it's open. Make sure that you have it lined up the same way. I'm gonna take that, put it back in. So if you look at these two little guides right here, there's a little guide right there and there's a little guide right there. Those have to go into this little spot right here. And then this little guide here has to go into that hole there. So you do have to kind of push it or pull it, depending on how you're holding it. There it is. It kind of snaps in, goes down, and just with one hand it's very difficult, but if you do it with two hands it's pretty easy. But so that part goes into the big slot, and then it's got two little tiny ones that have to kind of snap in, so you got to kind of push it in, snap it, and it goes right in. There you go. Fairly simple. Once you know how to do it, it's a piece of cake. But you do have to, like, turn it, pull it out, okay? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.